Hi and welcome to the video. Today we'll be starting the construction process of the HMS Victory model. I'm not going to be following the instructions fully as I'm planning some changes which I will go into later in the video. First thing we need to do is identify the parts. One thing you will find, some of the layouts in the booklet do not match the ply sheets. However, it's fairly easy to identify the parts from the diagrams. Next, we cut out the parts. I would recommend a nice strong craft knife as the ply is quite thick. You can see how much sawdust is left from the CNC cutting of the parts. It's possible to fit the parts straight away, but they are extremely tight and a lot of force is required. It's probably not advisable because getting them apart is also very difficult. Not sure how well the camera is picking this up, but you can see the slot is not the same thickness all the way up. It has like notches in it. I'm just taking a needle file to these to make the width the same. Now we go on to the test fitting. I don't want it too tight, I have to force it, but I also don't want it too loose. Now for the deck. A tip here, try and keep the deck level. It will slot in a lot easier. Just take your time and don't try and force it. The instructions specify that these parts, part 39, be fed through the ribs for the pulse cannons. A hole is then drilled in part 39 and a fake cannon stroke gun slots in. Now these gun ports are quite large. Yes, they will be framed, but there is space to see into the hull. So what I'm planning to do here is actually build up the centre of the ship so that we can see the inside, as I think this will make it a more interesting model. This will also mean I need to add another deck to the frame and make some adjustments to the actual frames themselves, but that's still in the planning process here. You know me, I like to make life more difficult. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.